Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some fun summer door decor. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and now let's craft. Starting with my first project, I'm using one of these Dollar Tree wood circles. I am removing the hanger, but I'm going to just put it to the side because I'm going to add it on again. Now I'm using the Dollar Tree painter's tape to have like a stripe in the center, and I'm going to use a Waverly chalk paint in the color yellow. I think it's the name, it's Mace, something like that, or Maize, I'm not sure. Once it was semi-dry, I removed the painter's tape, and this is how it looks. Now I'm going to show you this little lemon wood sign that I had, which I'm going to try to add the details inside the circle, just like the little small one. So I'm using that as a guide. And to do that, I'm going to use this construction paper. I cut off like a little tier, or I don't know what, yeah, like a little tier. And that is what I'm going to use as a stencil. The stencil I used was too big, so I did make them a lot smaller. I just used like the guide of the bigger one to make it smaller, and you can see my hair, sorry. So now I'm going to just erase some of these lines because I am going to paint that white. Hopefully I made sense. Honestly, I struggled doing this because I wasn't sure how to do this, so this can look like a lemon. Later on you're gonna see it does look like a lemon, but at the same time it looks like a flower, but I did try. So after I was done adding the white, it looked funny, so I went back with the yellow and fixed some of the little teardrop thingies. After fixing it, this is how it looks. As you can see, I went around like the white to make this look more like a circle. I told you it does not look like a lemon. Honestly, I don't know what this looks like. I did mess up a little bit, but I used a Q-tip to just fix that up. So I set this to the side to let it finish drying. Meanwhile, I painted this summer sign that I got from Michael's. It says right here $1.99, but I got it for $1. It was 50% off. I'm going to paint this the same color I painted the circle, which is this yellow. Then I went over it. I don't have the video because I didn't press record, but I did go over it with black paint, and I added these little seeds to my lemon. I added the summer sign in the center, and then I added the string that I removed, I added back on there. To finish this off, I added some of the Dollar Tree greenery, which I tied two pieces of greenery together, and then I glued them on the side. Using the Dollar Tree ribbon, I made a double bow and added in the center of the greenery. And that is it. Look how beautiful this summer sign turned out. I know it doesn't look like a lemon, but I tried it. I tried. For my next project, I'm using another of the wood circles. For this one, I didn't remove the string. I just left it there. I used the same painter's tape because I'm going to paint the bottom red. I tried using this one from the brand, the Waverly Chalk Paint, but I didn't like it. It was too red. So then I used this apple barrel one. It was like a brighter red. If you haven't guessed it by now, I'm going to make a watermelon. Now because I painted everything too red and I'm going to paint the bottom green. I know the green I have is more like a sheer, so I went over it with white first and then with this green. Using a small paintbrush, I'm going to draw the little seeds on the watermelon, and excuse my hair, but this is how it looks. I'm going to remove the painter's tape. Then I had a calendar from 2022, which it had this juicy watermelon picture, which I grabbed the part that said juicy watermelon and glued it to the sign using Mod Podge. As you can see, I kind of tore the edges of this juicy watermelon sign. I only did the top and the bottom first, but I do end up doing the sides as well later on. To finish this off, I added some greenery and a bow, and that is it. Look how cute this juicy watermelon sign turned out. For my next project, I used this other circle that I got from the Dollar Tree. This is a lot smaller, but it is thicker. I also use these stickers. These are wood stickers. I had this Hello Sunshine. I painted it using the Waverly Antique Wax. I added this to my sign. I added Hello Sunshine. I was going to add flowers, not flowers, suns, but I didn't have any, and I remember I had the sunflowers, so I decided to add these. I added a big one and two smaller ones. For this, I didn't add a bow. I just left it as is. And that is it. Look how cute this Hello Sunshine turned out. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.